Hey guys, I am Sherfit Johnson and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Also have simple decorations that anybody can do. Honestly, it was extremely inexpensive. If you have pictures, you're already one step ahead. So join me for my room tour. So this is my dorm room. I'm actually gonna get behind the camera and show you guys a little bit better. So here, of course, is my bed. And this room did not come furnished. I had to furnish it myself. And I just put on some light bedding because it's extremely summertime. So this is my whiteboard I told you guys about, and I also have some words of wisdom on my wall. As you can see, I have some wall art, and I did get this from the Dollar Tree. The unicorn by itself was one piece. The wild free with the arrows and the feathers at the bottom was an entirely different piece, and I just combined them together. They do come off the walls extremely easily, so I would definitely highly recommend some of those wall arts. They're really nice and detailed. I was feeling wild and free at the time that I put that up there. There's my table. I have a candle on there. I have a marker. Of course, I have my laptop. I have some schoolwork and books in there. And my whiteboard. My infamous whiteboard that I love so very much. I have a hooded dryer. And this corner, you could put a TV there, you could put a lamp there, but I do my hair often, so of course I needed a hooded dryer. So from my bed, I have this humongous window. I have my chair over here, right in the corner, my closet, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, and then I have this super dope vintage mirror, and I have some studio lights as well. Of course, you don't need those, but yeah, this is my super dope vintage mirror. I got it for like $5. It's like right across from my bed. Here's that chair and my closet. And I told you guys that I had some room decorations. This was extremely cheap to do. I put it all around my whole entire room just because I love waking up and seeing this little boy's face. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, and I have more pictures, but I decided to take them down and leave space so you guys could see that you don't have to fill up your whole entire room. You can leave space, create new memories, print those pictures out, and put more pictures up with the new friends that you've made and the new friends that you will make. And I got string and I got little clips from the dollar store. It was extremely inexpensive. The most expensive part is printing pictures, and literally that costs you about $5 in itself. So let's go over to my closet and have a look. I put my shoes up at the top. I'm trying to fill up my closet with more clothes. Actually, I have a clothing haul coming, and this is where I'm going to put my clothes. I have a little dirty clothes bucket right there. Some clothes. So my closet is a walk-in closet, people. You probably will not get this luxury as a freshman, but once you get higher in ranks, you'll get a better room. I promise. You will get a better room. And I told you guys my bathroom is actually inside of my room. Here it is. So I have a toilet. I have my little rugs on the floor, so my floor is not soaking wet. I have me. The bathroom does not have amazing lighting, but that's okay. And then I actually have a hook right up here. It's my little baby's towel, my towel. So you can follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at SureFitJohnson, of course. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, want advice, please leave your comments down in the comment section. I am a senior in college this upcoming fall, so trust me, I got the answers. I got the answers. And if I don't have the answers, I can definitely give you some type of information to help you with the answers. And I'm also going to be posting a dorm room essentials, really especially for freshmen or people who've never lived on a dorm campus, because you don't know what you need. You probably don't know exactly what you need, but I, SureFitJohnson, have got you covered.